This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your device and making sure the screen responds. This avoids accidental taps. Once done, open Settings immediately, look for the gear icon, use the app drawer, or pull down Quick Settings and tap the gear. If you can't find settings, use the top search bar or say Open Settings to Google Assistant. This saves time on different OEM skins. Make sure you have basic access. Without settings, you can't proceed to System Info, where the Android version lives. You now go deeper. In Settings, scroll to System or About Phone. Some manufacturers place About under Advanced or Additional Settings. Tap About Phone or Software Information. Here you'll see Android version, security patch level, and build number. Once you find it, note both the numeric version and any vendor-specific name. These matter for compatibility and updates. If the menu structure differs, use the Settings search box and type About, Software, or Android version to jump straight to the right screen quickly and reliably. You finish by confirming the Android version, security patch date, and build number. Take a screenshot or jot them down for later reference. If the screen shows incomplete info, restart the device and reopen settings. Corrupted caches can hide items. Make sure you're not in a restricted user profile. Switch to the primary account. If settings still fails, update system apps or use the OEM support tool. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset to restore settings functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.